Hey everyone, so today's video, I thought I should make a little video of my new guinea pig Haley chewing on some lettuce. Now she was weaking, so I knew that she was hungry. So, let's see her chow down some piece of romaine lettuce, which is absolutely her favorite so far. Alright. Yeah, this is her fourth meal for the day. Yeah, that's her favorite. There's also carrots too. She's doing exactly like Kingler did. That's my old Halloween crab that I used to have a while back. Just look at her chow down. And yes, I did promise to make a feeding video. It's in the works. I'm actually going to be making it tomorrow. It's just been way hectic. I just found out that one of my Mingo classes canceled for the day, so that's kind of good news, but the problem is it was only my morning class, so I had to stay behind until 2, which is the other class, which I had a class. Oh, I don't even know why I'm talking about school now. And we're enjoying a nice video here of my guinea pig eating. Yeah, so this is our first feeding video on camera. Anyways, I guess I'll let her enjoy in peace. Alright everyone, so that's my video. Hope you enjoy it, and thanks for watching.